Hi, it's Durley here from the Property Centre, and today we're at Kew Cottage, which is located in Keynsham, Bristol, and we're at a beautifully presented 5-bedroom semi-detached cottage. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Baby, you and I got history. Are we meant to be, or is it all a lie? Read between the lines, and this ain't it, and how it's supposed to be.
First, you'll find the farmhouse-style kitchen diner, which is perfect for growing families. Let's go and check out the upstairs.
Pushing on me all this time, I sacrifice, but you want it when you want it. It's only when it's right for you. I just get this feeling that I'm
Here we find the master suite with ensuite and large family bedroom.
getting late. I just got this feeling, you don't say what you mean. I just hate this feeling, but I can't fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling. No.
Last but not least, we find ourselves at the front of the property with ample driveway parking and a double garage.
Can't afford me. You know all the spice that make my walls drop, turning me on.
If you would like to book a viewing on this amazing property, or if you would like a valuation on your own property, please feel free to give me a call using the contact number below. Many thanks.
All this time I sacrifice, but you want it when you want it. It's only when it's right for you.